Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start now, power down the iPhone X, remove the case and SIM tray, and mask the glass and antenna bands with low-tack tape. Dampen a microfiber with 70–90% isopropyl only to lift oils, then apply a small amount of metal polish paste or use a jeweler's cloth on the stainless rims. Use light pressure and short passes to avoid heat buildup. This begins removing grime and minor oxidation while preserving the factory finish. Once done, wipe residue immediately with a clean microfiber. Now you move into the detailed work. Choose either gentle circular motions or, preferably, follow the stainless grain if visible, and keep each pass to 10 to 15 seconds. Make frequent checks under good light so you stop when you hit the desired shine. Use cotton swabs or a pointed cloth to clean seams, around buttons, and the camera ring, and replace the tape if residue creeps under it. Make sure to rotate cloth faces so you're not reintroducing grit. Patience prevents new micro scratches. Finish by removing all polish residue with a fresh microfiber and a slightly damp cloth, then dry and buff to a uniform sheen. Inspect the stainless under bright light and touch only small spots again if necessary, making sure you remask areas before repeating. If you encounter deep scratches, do not aggressively sand. Accept the patina or consult a professional refinisher because aggressive polishing can remove plating or reshape edges. Remember, gentle, consistent technique is why the stainless looks factory new without.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.